role, and in this critical time in the history.
We are the chosen God. Lift up your voice so you know who you are. Shout in love, declare.
Official member of parliament and leader of majority, Kovia, the former.
I now invite Reverend Dr. Luca Arico, who is our board of training staff, who have made the acceptance to work with the and now the base. St. Paul's University, servants of God and humanity.
Christians, family, and friends of this noble institution, we should always be steadfast in shunning divisive and retrogressive politics. Politics that allows thriving of corruption, impunity, and war-mongering should never be allowed to take root in our society. Let us all endeavor to practice the principles of peace, love, unity, and respect. I was just saying that when I saw this crowd, I said, if you don't like what I'm saying, don't walk out on me. Just listen and be patient and tolerant. Whenever we disagree politically, let us do it in a civil manner without the need for name-calling, grudges, and bitterness, as we are taught in the book of Ephesians 4:31 and 32. Get rid of all bitterness, rage, and anger, brawling, and slander, along with every form of malice. Be kind and compassionate with one another, forgiving each other just as Christ forgave you.